Hi guys, Muaz here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have a trampoline, and this trampoline name is Play Big. It is 3 feet and kids can play on this, and it is Jump for Joy, Stage a Care and Joy. Okay, it's safe and there's a bar you can hold on and you can do stuff. Okay, let's get opening. Wow. Okay, here's the first part. You can see. Okay, put it on the side. Okay, the second part is here. The second, almost like the same thing. Okay. Now this is how to assemble, and here is a trampoline base. Okay, and here is what is this? Here is some tools, and the last thing is here's 2 manuals. Okay. Here. Okay. Oui. Okay, now here is some things, and here is a big base for the trampoline, and here's something inside. Here's another one. Okay, we're back and build this. Okay, now we build it. Okay, it was easy. Okay, and let me try to bounce on it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and this thing can fold if you want to put it somewhere else, if you don't want to play with it. Okay, and thank you for watching the video. Please like our video and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.